Hello everyone, it's your boy Guillermo, and in this video we'll be diving into how to become a salesman and make at least $50,000. This is a skill that you will have in your pocket for the rest of your life, which means that you can never go below $50,000. And of course, if you are a good salesman, you can go way above that amount. I have been working as a salesman for 2 years and have almost 300 sales under my name. So let's start. The first step is to get your certificate. That's what your certificate look like. But the real question is how you get that. I have two options for you. The first option is the one that I choose, and definitely not the easiest one. So basically, it was a course for 3 weeks, intense. I paid $3,000 for that. But don't forget, I'm making now more than $50,000 a year. So definitely I'm in profit, but there was no warranty. So to give you perspective, of course, in 3 weeks, you don't have the time to explore everything of the business because there is really a lot of things to learn. So you basically learn everything in the field, which is very stressful. So if you don't manage the stress well, you will definitely not make it. To give you perspective, we were around 12 person in the course. We all paid, and at the end of the course, only 3 person got our real job, and everyone paid. As you can see, really not for everyone. The second path, I will say that's the safe zone and my recommendation in this video. I want you all to succeed. You want to play it safe, that will be the option. The second option is an 8-month course subventioned by the government, at least here in Canada, which means that you don't need to pay anything from your pocket, and they really fund you a job at the end. Even you go in stage, and of course in 9 months you have time to explore all the theory of sales, psychology, do walk arounds of the car, everything. So you finish that course very well prepared, and the rest you learn it in the field. So second step is don't wait for your institution to find you an interview. Be independent. Think of the brands that you want to work with and go drop your curriculum vitae, your CV. Go drop your CV, and of course, very important, it's a number games, guys, which means that the most dealers that you drop your CV on, the more chances that you will have, and of course, the more options that you will have. I didn't want to go in person because it will take me a lot more time. My advice will be indeed, it will save you a lot of time. You don't need to go in person to the dealer, and you will have a few interviews. Step 3, get the interview and crash it, boys. Crash it. I got you. I will make a video explaining what to expect before and during the interview. I wish someone had told me all that during that video. I will be explaining what I did to find myself at the end with multiple options. Multiple leadership wanted me at the end, and I was the one that chose with which brand and team I wanted to work with. Think of the brands that you want to work with. That's a position that you want to find yourself in. And with that video, you will be able to do it too. So now you have options because you crash a lot of interviews. So now my boys have options, okay? Some my boys have options, but how to choose the brand that you want to work with? You need to choose very wisely. And how you will choose? The most important thing is the team. How do you connect with the team? That's the most important thing, guys. Trust me on that. I've been working here 2 years now, and I wouldn't be able to do that if my team was shit. If I didn't connect with my team, trust me, I wouldn't be here. But more important than the team, your connection with the management, your connection with your managers. At the end of the day, guys, don't forget that if your manager doesn't like you or you don't like him, it will make your life so much harder for none. And when you have a good relationship with both of your manager, damn, you will be working in heaven, guys. You have a good team and a good management. The brand that you will choose is the brand that has the team that you connect the most with. Step 5, boys. Next thing you know, boys, you are in the business. So you are in the business. But first, you really want to get just in. and gain experience. Experience, guys, keyword, that's your leverage. That's the leverage. That will be the thing that will open all the doors for you. Start. Don't be picky with the brands. So you are the one making the difference. So at the end of the day, you only want to get experience, and when you have experience, then you can be as picky as you want, because you don't have any more nothing to prove. You have all your stats in your back. You have all your good reputation in your back, so you can work with pretty much every brand that you want. So if you follow this guide step by step, trust me, guys, there is no way that you don't find yourself in this chair too. That's it for me today. It was a pleasure.